want to talk to you about warming up. Now, I'm not talking about swinging the arms and doing yoga stretching. It's much more about warming up your skiing. Everyone's done it. They found themselves on a really tricky slope on the first run, and it can rattle the confidence and put you off for the day. Find somewhere you're really comfortable on and loop it a few times. So the fact that you know it already will stop you thinking what's around the corner, what's over that ridge, and you can just concentrate on what you're doing. Now, the fact that you feel really comfortable on a slope allows you to think about something that you need to be working on. It could be breathing when you're skiing. It could be getting a nice rhythm, looking ahead. Doesn't matter what it is. And being somewhere comfortable will allow you to focus on something simple. Now, this is much more important early in your holiday. Good first few days, that will set you up for the week. Now, this is something the best skiers in the world do. So take your time, make the first hour count.